Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can easily block people on the TikTok application on your mobile device. So first thing you want to do is just open up the TikTok. And so there's two ways that you can get to the blocking feature. So you can either tap on their name on the bottom left or click on their profile picture. And once you're here, you're going to want to click on the top right where you see the arrow, and then the share to option will pop up. So the block feature is just on the bottom where it says block, and you'll simply just want to tap on that, and then it will give you this little disclaimer saying they can't see anything that you're doing and you won't be able to see anything that they're doing. So once you're sure, just click on block, and now they are blocked. So to unblock accounts is just go back to the same account and just click on unblock right here. And then this pretty much just says that it'll just go back to normal. And there you go. So thanks for watching, and see you next video.